तो ये है हमारा स्मार्ट लॉक सिस्टम. So this is a screen and this is a fingerprint sensor and this is a mechanism to unlock or trigger the button to activate the system. As I trigger the button, I will put my finger and the light turns green and the door is opening. As the password is correct, the motor rotates and the solenoid door closes, and then the motor rotates back and the door lock comes forward. This is pretty much the functioning of this project. Now if we look inside about the circuitry, we can find a Vero board where all this is connected. We have used a QA pass 1602A LCD with I2C extender and R557 fingerprint sensor with Arduino Nano, a relay to control the solenoid, and a servo motor to open or close anything like a door or a drawer. So this whole project is powered by USB, which is connected to my laptop, and the solenoid is also connected by the USB port.
We have used the libraries Adafruit.h, software serial H, servo and liquid crystal library. We defined the pin numbers, button 2, lock pin, servo, software serial. Then in the main loop, we input and digital write the lock pin. We set up the LCD screens and display what should be on our initializing screen. Similarly, we use a loop and to check enroll fingerprint using the serial monitor, and this is the logic where if the button is pressed, LCD will become clear, the cursor will set at 00 and the LCD will show checking fingerprint and button is pressed. So it will check the fingerprint, and if the fingerprint check is correct, then it will say access granted, and else it will be saying that access is denied. So this is a function that display or check whether the state of the button that is being pressed is high or low using AND operation. So this is the enrollment function which is used from the library of the Adafruit fingerprint sensor. You don't need to write the whole code. Similarly, the main last two functions are the activation of the servo motor. For this we use LCD clear, set cursor, printing opening door, and using the for loop, that is initial position is set to 0 and it will rotate 90 degrees with the increment of plus 5 degree every minute. So that position is sent into the motor and there is a delay, and for returning back to their initial position we do the same, but this time we decrement minus prime from each iteration. And the last is open lock. So there is a delay of 1 second, then LCD print do unlocked, then digital light lock pin low means the solenoid will be active and the lock will be opened. Then we will activate the servo motor, and there is again a delay of 1 second. Then we write the digital lock pin high, which means that the solenoid will become closed and the door will be again locked. That's pretty much it. Hope you liked the video.